Just picked up this Dewalt 20-volt max XR brushless drill and impact combo kit.
How much?
This was $2.99 at Lowe's, so hopefully it was a good deal. Let's see what it looks like. This is a 2021 model. Looks like it's got contractor bag. Nothing else in there. Decided to go with the Dewalt, USA made. And it has a metal chuck. Seems to be metal. 1/2 inch. This is the 20-volt max XR. Let's see what else comes with. We got charger, 2 batteries. And it also has impact drivers. 2 belt clips. And that looks like it. So this one comes with a 3-year warranty. So metal housing, metal chuck, buttons plastic for reverse. Hopefully it holds up. Let's see. Got the 2-amp battery. 3 LED lights on it. And it comes with a 4-amp battery. So this is a little bit bigger. Should last about 4 hours of use. That must be why it was a little bit cheaper than that other set. Battery, a little bit loose feeling on there. Hopefully that holds. Different light settings on it. Looks about it. Got 2 settings, 1 and 2 for different drive speeds. I believe this is an impact drill, brushless motor. This also has 3 speed settings, 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. Got a nice metal construction on the tip and the housing. Feels like it's about 3 pounds. I'm not sure what they say it's supposed to weigh. So that's what you get for $300. Although I did thought it came with 2 of these 4-amp-hour things. I'll have to look at the box. No, box says 2 and 4. Okay. A couple instruction pamphlets. One for the driver, one for the drill. This is your sticker case. Alright. Well, that's about what they give you for $300. Hopefully it holds up. This one has the metal housing, the plastic body. Grip feels okay. Batteries aren't fully charged, but not a big deal. And we'll have to try and test these out, see how they do.